Hi there, my name is Ryan. I'm with the Sierra Division of Forest River. I'm going to be going through a couple different floor plans here. We're going to start with our luxury fifth wheel and then move on down to the C-Class. So just wanted to start here and go a little bit over a few things on the exterior. First, I'd like to start with our construction and how we do our sidewalls. We are a vacuum bonded high gloss gel coat exterior. So why is that important? Well, the high gloss does a few things. The most important thing is it stops your exterior from yellowing over time during the sun's exposure. So that's a lot better than, say, some of your Phylon built sidewalls, which are going to actually turn yellow, and you'll really be able to notice it after a year or so. It's also a aluminum structure as well, so there's aluminum studs that run through this, and it's in a vacuum bonded process that pretty much gets everything together and makes a nice solid wall, which you can tell. And some of our competitors don't do that. They have what they call a hung wall, and an easy way to tell that especially is on your slide outs right here. We do all of our slide outs are vacuum bonded. So what you want to do, especially when you're looking at some of the competition, is go up here and bang on the wall. You can actually press, if it's not a vacuum bonded wall, you can actually get in here and feel that flex in and out about an inch or so. So that's a big way to tell on whether, you know, on how the sidewalls are actually constructed. Moving on here, what we have here in the underbelly is we use what's called a underbelly armor. So if you can see under there, which is kind of tough right now, we use basically 3-foot sections. So in a lot of the competition, what they do is they do it's a one piece underneath. So to get anything underneath, you have to drop the entire underbelly. With this system, with the planks that come in there, basically you can come out, if you need to access it, you can come out here and take the section off that you need to and access everything you need to, and then go ahead and pop it back in. So it saves a lot of time, it's a lot easier, and you still have a fully sealed underbelly all the way through, so you know, no rodents or anything like that getting under there. What we have here, this is a 391 FLRB, so that stands for front living rear bath. You've seen front livings all over the place, but this is a little bit different, where we've actually raised the bath in the back of the coach here and added all this exterior storage under here. So if you can get a shot of that, which is great for, I mean, you can even put kayaks back here. A lot of storage all the way through here, which is key. You know, when camping, doing other things, I know a lot of people like to bring everything with them. And this really shows you what the kind of space you can get underneath here. Another key is our baggage doors. So we have fully insulated baggage doors, okay? So that's a little thicker than a lot of the competition. And what's that gonna do is gonna go ahead and seal all the heat and everything inside your coach in the exterior storage compartments. And also there are slam locks on them, easy close. Ladder on the back here to access your roof, which your roof is a one-piece PVC roof with a 15-year warranty on it. It's a full walk-on roof as well. And what I mean by seamless is it's not pieced together on the roof, so there's no seams. Why is that important? Because with seams, you have the possibility of water getting in. So you always like to have one piece if possible, and that's what we do here at Sierra. Running through, you can see the electric awning that we use. It's a one push button electric awning with LED strip through it. Real easy to use by Dometic. Also, we have exterior speakers, which are standard on all Sierras. So you can listen to your music outside, watching the game, enjoying the refreshments, stuff like that. And a really cool thing that we've done on this front living, which a lot of our competition does not have, is the exterior kitchen. You can check out, everybody has a front living floor plan, but almost nobody has an exterior kitchen. And it took some engineering to get this done, but I'm happy we did so. So you've got a nice sink area out here, which actually has its own tank. A lot of the competition will just run a little hose that drops out into the ground and it'll flood your neighbor's campground. But this is all self-contained. A lot of storage through here. We even have some lights, LED lights that are coming through here. Equipped with your fridge for all your storage needs here, in case you have a couple beverages from time to time. And moving on through here, this unit actually has 6 slides. It's got 2 in the front, 2 in the main, and then also 2 in the back. Talking about some more exterior storage here. So full pass-through storage along the front here, as well as all the storage you get in the back. So you can imagine everything that you can put in here when you're taking off. Again, slam baggage doors on everything, easy to open, easy to close. I wanted to show you this propane compartment real quick. So a lot of the competition will cram these bottles in here, which look all nice and neat until you actually need to access them. So instead of trying to undo these and pull this and do that, what we've done is we've got a nice pull-out tray right here. So easy to take on, easy to access. And these are twin 30-pound auto changeover tanks as well. So a lot of propane use you can get out of here. Back. And walking around the front, we've got a full fiberglass front cap here. This one actually has a front windshield, which we'll show you a little bit later on when we get inside. LED lights on either side of the cap and also the bottom. So it's a full fiberglass cap that we've got actual paint that we use. These are not graphics, this is paint. So this is not gonna peel off in a few years and you'll have to worry about replacing it. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. Wanted to show you, these marker lights are actually a camera system prep that we use on Sierra. So we've got one on each side, one above the front entry door, and then one on the back of the coach as well. So what do I mean by that is they're prepped for a camera. It's really easy to pop these off. You pop the camera in here, which will actually give you a 360-degree surround view of your coach altogether. So that's something that Zoomers can do here, or pretty much anybody can do aftermarket. Want to talk about the level up system that we have. I know a lot of people will ask their rep or the sales guy if it has a level up system on it. Well, most of them do, but you got to understand that there's a difference between level up systems. This happens to be a 6-point hydraulic level up system. Now you compare that to electric system. Which one's better? Well, the hydraulic is going to be up to 10 times faster than your electric. And it's actually a 6-point. So you have 2 up front, 2 in front of the axle over here, and then 2 in the back of the coach. So that's going to give you really good stability once you have those down. And again, they're hydraulic, so it's all pushing a button, brings them down, really easy to set up. You can have your slides out, your level up system down, your awning out in a matter of minutes. So it's really easy and it's all push button. Something else that a lot of the competition doesn't have is a spray port. So what does that do? That works off your fresh water tank. So it's got a quick connect that just pops on there. And what you can use it for is spraying off the boots. Your dog gets in a bunch of mud, you spray them off. Real nice and convenient to have, also with the 110 that you have here. And you've got some connections in your outside storage, your 110 outlets here, and then your cable hookup as well if you want to put an outside TV for the game or whatever. So, showing you this door. So this is a friction door, so there's no hinge. Some of the competition will have basically a plastic little latch on the back there that thing breaks off the first couple weeks you have it. Friction door, no need for that. Good up to 30-mile-per-hour winds. Along with that, you'll see that this is a MORride step that we're using. So real easy, extremely light, all the way up, which actually folds back into your coach, and then real easy to pull back down. These actually adjust in case you're on some undulating ground. Piece of cake. So very easy to use, extremely efficient. So, and I think that's about all I'm going to go through on the outside. I think we'll just go ahead and take a look on the inside and figure out what's going on in there. Now this is a high profile fifth wheel. High profile meaning plenty of headroom up here. I can walk all the way to the front of this coach and still not hit my head on the ceiling. So what we have here is you can see a good view of that front windshield that we were looking at from the outside. So it's not the sunniest of all days here, but you can imagine all the light that's going to bring in from both these slide outs and the front windshield. And again, if you don't like looking at your neighbor, you can go ahead and close that as well. Comes standard with this Connect soundbar. So that is going to be a DVD player. You're also going to have your AM, FM stereo on there. Easy to use your Bluetooth to stream music and that sort of thing, which is integrated into the front there. Very sleek, very smooth. Also comes with your 32-inch fireplace that acts as a heater. It's the same as a 5100 BTU furnace as well, so it does put out some heat. Also standard is a 50-inch flat screen TV, which is out of the way when not needed. So raining outside, you want to come in, watch the game, you go ahead and put that on there. Also push button, easy to bring up, put back down. The furniture, we use Thomas Paine. Both of these are hide-a-beds, okay? So they sit comfortably, nice furniture, stain resistant. This actually folds out to a bed as well as the other side as well, and you can actually have them both out at the same time. So if you're having, you know, the grandkids or whoever or extra company coming over to spend the night, you can pull both of those out and have extra sleeping space besides just the king bed in the back. And then of course we have our theater seats here. These do both recline, cup holders here. They have built-in lights on them as well. So a real spacious area up here, all the way through for entertaining or just relaxing or whatever it is that you're doing. So, and like I said, this is the 391 FLRB, brand new floor plan by Sierra. Zoomers is one of the first ones to get one on the lot, so I'd encourage you to come and check it out before it disappears. And so I'm going to show you this fridge that we use. It's LG fridge, also with the LG microwave. So we have a 22 cubic foot residential style refrigerator. Okay, so that's a lot of storage space in there. We've got the bottom freezer that runs through here, and it also has a ice maker that is standard on these refrigerators. Again, 22 cubic feet. Along with that is the 30-inch over-the-range microwave, a lot bigger than most of the competition. You can actually put a plate in there, and again, stainless steel, which matches your fridge and your stove here, which this is a 3.7 Insignia 4-burner cooktop stove. So you can see the amount of cook space that you have in there. Now, I don't know who's cooking Thanksgiving dinner in there, but you know, if you wanted to, you definitely could. Very residential look to it. So again, 4 burners on the top here, and again, all stainless steel. We have a couple lights here on this side, which gives you a nice look. And a lot of things that we've also done for the interior. I wanted to show you some of these drawers here. These are on ball bearing drawer guides that run through there. So very smooth, and the nice thing about that is they're slow close, soft close drawer guides as well. So nice residential look there. We also have that on our cabinetry that runs through here. So no touch. They automatically close on themselves. And you notice that we have hidden hinges on here too. So nothing to see here. Nice residential look. This floor plan comes with standard with a half bath, which you can see here. You've got a nice sink area, medicine cabinet. Also, there is an option if you do not want the second bath, you can do a pantry in its place. So the customer has that decision, but it does come standard with the half bath. You've got your dinette table over here, 4 chairs. This table actually does pull out and extends about a half foot to give you more room for putting plates, silverware, whatever. Another standard that we have on here is our slow rise window shades. One quick pull, goes all the way up, lets the light in, and also real easy to shut too. So something that's standard on all Sierras. And this is the bedroom, which comes standard with a king size bed. You've got basically your LED lights behind your headboard there. And again, this unit is standard with 2 15,000 BTU Coleman air conditioners. So this unit is about, it's a little over 40 feet, so you're going to need 2 ACs in something this size. Over here, you've got your TV placement, and again, plenty of storage for hanging clothes, really deep drawers all the way through here. And then we come into the bathroom, which again, this is raised up because all the storage is below us here that we went through earlier. Real nice thing on the Sierra is washer dryer prep. All of our luxury fifth wheels are prepped with a washer and dryer, and notice that it's also stackable. So it's not all in one combo piece. It's a separate washer and dryer that can be added after the fact, or you can actually order from the factory that way. So I don't know if you've got that in here. All right. So you can see through here, you've got his and her sinks. You've got a lot of storage all the way through here, another medicine cabinet, storage for different things. You've got your 110 outlet here, linen storage all the way through here, more drawers. This thing is just full of drawers everywhere. So it's extremely nice to bring everything with you, when you're camping. And this is the unit for you. Full walk-in shower. So now I'm about 6'2", and I can get in this thing, and I have plenty of room all the way through here. So you notice I don't shave my legs, but if I did, nice area for the lady folk to do that. So big bathroom. It's extremely spacious. And we'll just kind of walk up here to the front living area. Oh, can't forget, central vac system. Now that is an option, but that is extremely nice. It has a hose that attaches to it, so you can run it all the way from the front to all the way to the back of the camper. So real easy cleanup all the way through.